Yeah, we got these Whal Heroes. We got the new Whal Heroes, man. I got the old ones also. My old ones kind of had a malfunction. So I went ahead and ordered the new ones because these are some super heavy hitters. You know, they may not look like it, but if you haven't tried these, you definitely got to get your hands on them. About to open these bad boys up. Super heavy hitters. My favorite trimmers for man, look, for anybody, but definitely I use them. They hit on point for kids. Like that line is sharp. And these are the new ones. Look at it. These bad boys are sexy. Sexy. What I like about these Heroes, set that right there, the blade be good, is that it comes with the blade setter, man. I don't know if you can see it, that black thing right there. Here it go with the little screwdriver. Comes that blade setter, and you can use this also to make sure that your blades don't chip. I'm gonna show you guys how to set this blade shortly. So here's the blade setter. It comes out, this is a screwdriver. You can keep it in there. It is set perfectly in there. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, but this is what makes these very, it come with its own blade guards. I'm sorry. Got the 1.5. It has the 1.5 guard. That's pretty good, man. You know, for the mustache or whatever, your beard, you can use the blade if you don't have your clippers ready. So yeah, that's a great thing that Wahl does with its clippers, man. It supply the blades for the trimmers also. Anyway, we're about to set this blade. I'll be right back for you guys to show you how to set it. All right, guys. I've used the 1-minute blade modifier already to sharpen the outer blade with the name on it. So now we're just going to set it. We're going to set the outer blade in with this groove, just like that, so that the inside blade can sit in there. It should snap in. There you go. And we're going to set the inner blade in and push it all the way up. Just like that. I'm going to push it all the way up. These screws are already loosened. I want to make sure they're loose enough. And then we're just going to push it all the way up. And then we're going to tighten these screws. This is a genius way of giving you a way to set these blades, man, for their clippers. Wahl is always ahead of the game, man. I love that they are proactive with their inventions. Like, you don't have to use a table and try to zero gap it. That's zero gapped already. So yeah, I've had the old ones, so we're about to try out these new ones. These are some great clippers, man. I love them. These are, outside of the T outliners, these are my favorite corded trimmers, if not my favorite. Like, I just tend to use the T outliners more because they cover more room. But as far as bang for buck and hitting, these hit just as good as the T outliners, man. Almost out the box, they're hitting. So these are definitely at the top of the line for my trimmers. I'll always have these trimmers, man. I love them. These were like the second pair of trimmers that I bought after the T outliners. And I've used a lot of trimmers, and I found these and the T outliners to be the top two. I got to find this damn screw that just dropped. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a video with me using these and show you how they're hitting.